Hi, I'm Caleb Clausette, VP Product here at Typefi.
I'm Kilo Samrajiv, Product Owner of Standards Cloud. Today we want to talk to you about Standards Cloud, our web-based service that enables national standard bodies to quickly and easily publish high-quality standards adoptions using the same source technology and source XML that ISO uses with their standards.
Typefi has been working with the ISO for more than a decade now, and this year is actually our 20th anniversary as a company. Founded in 2001, Typefi has offices in Australia, the US, the UK, the Netherlands, and Sri Lanka, and additional staff in France, Spain, Romania, Yugoslavia, and South Africa. We started working on what would become Typefi Standards Cloud in mid-2018 before launching it in April of 2020. Building on our core automated publishing technology, leveraging the same source XML that ISO uses for publishing their standards, Typefi Standards Cloud is available completely free of charge to all ISO member organizations for the first 50 adoptions. While this may spoil Dylan's demo, all you need to publish a national standards adoption are a web browser and the source ISO zip package. That's it. No technical expertise and no typesetting experience required. Typefi Standards Cloud will automatically combine the source XML with your national metadata that you've entered in our web-based interface. We'll also automatically handle repagination, creating live hyperlinks, updating the table of contents, and live linking the cross-references and citations. And the result is searchable, shareable, accessible, and beautifully designed national standard. And this is where I'll hand the mic back over to Dylan, Product Owner for Typefi Standards Cloud. Take it away, Dylan.
Thanks, Caleb. Hello, everyone. I will be demonstrating how easy it is to produce an ISO standard adoption with your own cover, front matter, and back matter in few easy steps. Standards Cloud is a fully web-based platform which allows the NSPs to publish their adoptions with 3 easy steps by uploading the ISO zip package, entering the metadata, and click on Publish. You can log into Standards Cloud as an administrator or a regular user. First, I will be logging as an administrator and then as a regular user. For the admin user, there are 3 tabs available except for Adoptions. Adoptions is common for both users, and I will be explaining how to create an adoption in a few minutes. Using the Metadata tab, the admin is able to set the custom default attribute for the metadata. The drop-down on the right of each field allows you to control use of the metadata. The fields that are highlighted in yellow are auto-filled. That means it will straight away take the content from the XML input file. The field is locked. You will notice that to the right side, the lock icon inside the field. So that means that the user cannot edit this field. All the other white-colored fields are manually controlled, which means you will need to manually add the metadata. The admin is also able to create custom metadata. Once a custom metadata is created, an email notification will be sent to me or my colleague Damien to add that custom metadata field to the template. Once the changes are being made, don't forget to save. Under the Users tab, you will be able to create users by clicking on the Add User button, by filling the required information, and click on Create. To delete a user, just click on the trash icon and click on Remove. Under the settings, you will notice that there are a few information such as NSP name, running, number of adoption, and the quota. There is an option to upload the NSP logo. template and the preset, also enabling to download the template and the PDF preset as a file sharing feature. Also, you can localize the appearance in English, Spanish, and French. The template sections allows you to reorder the sections which in the front matter. The admin is not allowed to create or delete sections. If a new section is to be created, you will need to contact me or my colleague Damien as it requires template update as well as transform update. Now, I will log in as a regular user. You will notice that a regular user only allows to publish adoptions. Before uploading an adoption, you will need to make sure that the source files are zipped into a single package. You will notice that there is an adoption has been created already. I will upload an adoption just for the illustration purpose. To upload an adoption, click on New Adoption button. Choose the zip package. And click on Create. To publish an adoption, you will need to be inside the adoption by clicking on one of the uploaded adoptions. You will notice that there are 5 tabs such as ISO, which shows the non-editable metadata, metadata tab where you can update the metadata. It might be refilled based on the admin's info. There are 2 sections has been created already. Preface section where I have added a few text just for the illustration purpose. Next is the forward section where I have added a few text as well. Also, there are basic formatting such as bold, italic, and we can have bulleted or numbered list including a link facility. You will be able to add more sections as you desire, but as I mentioned earlier, you will need to inform me or Damien to add any additional sections for you. Once you are done with the changes, don't forget to save. Now we can publish the adoption by clicking on the Publish button. You will notice there are a few basic information, so you can mark it in progress or completed. You can click on the Output tab to see the progress of the job. Once the job is completed, you will be able to view the final output by clicking on the PDF icon. You can see the cover page, the front matter, the ISO content, and the background. Online help is available via the Help menu button on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. There is an online help including frequently asked questions and a detailed step-by-step on how to create an adoption. So in 3 easy steps, you can publish ISO adoptions with your own metadata, cover, front matter, and back cover without any software installation. If you like to get set up to use Standards Cloud or for more information, please reach out. We'll be more than happy to talk. Thank you.